Hi there, Emma here from ProvenSignals. We have just entered 2 trades lower following a binary trading signal in our free Telegram channel. Because a lower binary options trading signal indicates strong resistance and a high probability of a price move lower, we entered a second position when price gets more extended from the entry in the first 15 seconds. This is because the probability of price moving lower is even higher in those cases. I explained this backtested double-up strategy in a previous video on our channel. Keep in mind that there is no binary options 100% winning strategy. Anyone telling you that they can give you a no-loss, 100% winning strategy is a scam. To become a successful and profitable binary options trader, you need to follow backtested and proven strategies and signals that give you accurate entry points. Our binary options signal strategy is based on volatility, support and resistance levels, and intraday trading rules that work. The signal strategy is backtested on years of data, so we know that every time we enter a binary trade higher or lower, we have a high probability of a successful trade. So even when price is above our entry now, I'm still confident it will reverse down and close in the money, meaning in profit, at expiration. If you want to give our signals a try, click the link in the description to join our free signal Telegram. I also recommend you get a free $10,000 demo with the binary options trading platform and broker we use. It's a regulated broker trusted around the world, including the United States and Europe. You can find the link in the description to get a free demo. One of our trades is now in the money. Price is consolidating a little, but the probability is high that price will keep moving lower. Seconds later, we make a new lower low. And both our 3-minute binary trades are in the money and in profit. This is why it's important to stick to a backtested and proven signal strategy that give you accurate entry points. But like I mentioned before, you will sometimes have losses, because there is no binary options 100% winning strategy. Wonderful price action and both trades expired in the money. We see how well these trading signals find trend reversals. So if you want to become a profitable and successful trader, follow backtested signals like these with discipline and never trade on hunches or gut feelings. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more.